Hello everyone, welcome back to Desi USA Living channel, and this is Sukanya. So, the Pongal is coming soon. I would like to wish everyone a very happy Thai Pongal festival. So in today's video we are going to see how to make Sweet Pongal. The ingredients are raw rice 1 cup, moong dal half a cup, water 4 cups, milk 1 cup, jaggery 1 cup, ghee half a cup, cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, cashew nuts 10, raisin or the dry grapes 20 numbers, pitted dates 3. Heat few tablespoons of ghee in a pan. Then roast the moong dal. Once the moong dal gives a nice smell, then add the washed rice to it and roast it for some time. So once those two are roasted good, add the measured water, which is 4 cups. Also the milk, which is 1 cup to it. Once it comes to the boiling point, we can close the lid of the cooker and give some 4 to 5 whistles. Once the pressure has reduced from the cooker, open the lid and smash the rice mixture to a smooth consistency. Then, in a different pan, heat some water and add the jaggery to it until it is melted. So once it is melted, roast the cashew nuts and the raisins. Add the pitted dates to the rice mixture. Then filter the jaggery juice to the rice mixture. Keep kneading it until all those ingredients are mixed well together. Add the cardamom powder. Add the roasted cardamom and the cashew nuts. Now our yummy sweet pongal is ready to taste. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Desi USA Living channel. Thank you. Bye bye.